Okay, well, we have some very terrible news. So I've been letting this dry now for about a week because it was tacky. It wasn't drying. So I've been letting it dry, and then I went out today to look at it, and I don't know if you can see this, but this thing started splitting. It's splitting. There's cracks all through it. It's cracked. I put it wasn't drying. It's cold out in the shop here. It's like freezing outside. It's minus whatever. So I put a heat blanket on top of it to help it dry. Well, I think the heat blanket made it heave. Well, this thing is garbage now. This thing is absolute freaking garbage. I can't save it. So this was a bust right from the start. This was a bust. It's sticky. It's still sticky here. It's dry here. Well, so I just took the heat blanket off of it. It's like super hot right here. So we took the heat blanket off of it. We're gonna call this a bust. This is not gonna work. We're gonna have to come up with something else. There's my table. There's my bar table. Still waiting for a top. I don't know what I'm gonna do for a top now. Alright, we're out. This is a bust.